Ni muvea muno boni na ende yitu kitakwa ku mundu ikitheka mututia Mwai Kibaki ulawe musumbi wa gatatu vanthi ya Kenya ulona ati one thayo muthenyani wa iyo Kuthyumuw'A Matuku miongo itatu Mwai-ini ukuya Musyi Kwake Othaya ila kaunti ya Nyeri. Minister wa maundu manthi ne Fred Matiang'i yikithia mauvoa ni wansia kana chathi cha kumuthio Musyi musumbi uwatene cha kiusumbi kana state funeral kikatoa wakatano ukite Nyayo stadium Musyi wa Ilobi na ende one wake Wathanthatu aithi kwa kuya Othaya. Bejo kitheka no kutwale sengo suku hauliko.
Ula watu wa musumbi wa gatatu vanthi ya Kenya mututia Mwai Kibaki Kuthyumuw'A Matuku miongo itatu Mwai kana Musyi Kwake Othaya kaunti ya Nyeri. Uni kwa na minister muviani wa usesei wa nthini Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
President Kibaki will then be laid to rest in Othaya in Nyeri on Saturday 30th April 2022.
Aine na itina waomba no wanza maile kumbali mathiko ma musumbi uwa gatatu Matiang'i waweta kana mboya si mwanya sia kuvoya Mwai wa mututia ikatoa wakatano kiwanzani cha Nyayo stadium Musyi wa Ilobi.
We have finalized preliminary plans for the state funeral of His Excellency President Mwai Kibaki, and would like the public to know that this will take place on Friday the 29th of April 2022 at Nyeri National Stadium.
Ingi Matiang'i waweta kana Mwai wa mututia Mwai Kibaki nukwithwa iwa mawako ni mambunge mithena itatu kuma wa kwambililia nikenda ene nthina tongoi mithena mwana wa kuthina kulilia vamona kumunenga ndaiye cia muthia.
The President's body will lie in state at the National Assembly for 3 days between Monday and Wednesday this week for members of the public and the rest of the country's leadership to pay their respects.
Ingi Matiang'i waweta kana veithwa na vuku ya kuikia sai kwa andu alame Musyi wa Ilobi alame kwenda kuthina kunena ya Musyi wa mututia Mwai Kibaki undola waweta toka atwaigwa kwa muthenya wa keli na wakatatu ofisini kwa Kibaki wenda Kibaki's Nyeri office aiweta nimekunenga na mapu ya kuonania undu utaona kuvika ofisini usu.
On behalf of my colleagues in the National Steering Committee who are here to observe that members of the public need to be informed that for those who are in Nairobi who would like to visit with the family, this will have to happen on Tuesday and Wednesday at President Kibaki's Nyeri office. We are going to provide the details and the map to the office, and this is where any of those, especially members of the diplomatic corps and any senior members of the public who may wish to visit the family or to convey their condolences in person to the family. We will also distribute by Tuesday morning condolence books to all our county headquarters for leaders and members of the public across the country to visit and deliver their condolences in writing.
Matiang'i ngino waweta kana nzamaini kwithwa inenga na mauvombi ange maundu ala makatoiwa muthenani usu wa mathiko kwivika one Musyi Kwake Mwai Kibaki.
We will issue a very comprehensive statement and plan tomorrow with details of other activities that will happen between tomorrow and Saturday 30th.
Mututia Emilio Mwai Kibaki ulali musumbi wa gatatu wa nthi ya Kenya anatiwa ni thayo wake kwi iyo ena ukuwa miaka miongo kenda kikukira kinatangazwa ni musumbi Uhuru Kenyatta ulona Mwai Kibaki te mutongo weyumise kuwete uthimwe kwa nthi ya Kenya. Mwai Kibaki hethiwe musumbi kuma mwakani wa 2002 mpaka mwakani wa 2013. Joseph Kitheka, Vingi wa Mauvo.